New chapter in aerial combat may be unfolding with the J-50 China's next generation, often referred to as 5th plus or 6th gen in some analyst circles, fighter concept that aims to push the boundaries of stealth, sensors, and integrated combat. While official details remain limited and much of what circulates is open-source analysis and educated speculation, the J-50 narrative is built around a clear set of design goals: very low observability, sensor fusion that approaches true system of systems integration, extreme agility across regimes, and the ability to operate seamlessly inside contested, networked battle spaces. Visually, the J-50 is imagined as a clean, blended airframe design with attention paid to radar cross-section reduction, internal weapon bays, canted twin tails or a single V-tail, serpentine air inlets, and edge-line control surfaces to manage scatter. This shape helps lower detectability not just to radar but to infrared and visual spotting as well. Contemporary Chinese progress in composite materials and precision manufacturing suggests the platform would rely heavily on radar-absorbent materials and tightly controlled panel gaps to reduce signatures across multiple sensors. Propulsion is a core enabler. For the J-50 to deliver both supercruise and high sustained maneuverability, it would likely employ a next-generation turbofan with a high thrust-to-weight ratio, adaptive cycle features, or a two-mode architecture, improvements aimed at balancing fuel efficiency for long-range patrols and raw power for combat. Advanced thermal management would also be necessary to suppress infrared signature and protect onboard electronics from the heat associated with high-performance engines. Where next-gen fighters truly distinguish themselves is electronics and software. The J-50 concept envisions a highly integrated avionics stack, active electronically scanned array, AESA, radars with wideband, low probability of intercept modes, distributed aperture systems for 360 degrees situational awareness, and robust electronic warfare, suites capable of both defense and offensive suppression. Sensor fusion are the automatic merging of radar, infrared, electronic intelligence, and data link information into a single coherent tactical picture would free pilots from information overload and let AI-assist systems highlight threats and recommend tactics in real time. Weapons carriage and deployment are central to operational flexibility. Internal bays for air-to-air missiles, standoff weapons, and precision-guided munitions preserve stealth until release. Modular external hardpoints could be used when stealth is less critical. Emerging concepts suggest the J-50 might act as a mission node, directing unmanned loyal wingmen or swarms of drones to extend reach and share sensors, a force multiplier approach that metallizes the idea of monomachine teaming in contested airspaces. Connectivity is another pillar. Low latency, hard-to-detect data links that integrate the J-50 with other platforms, satellites, aircraft, surface ships, and ground nodes, create a network battle management layer. Cybersecurity and resiliency against jamming or spoofing would be baked into the stack, allowing the fighter to operate in electromagnetic environments designed to degrade less sophisticated systems. Pilot workload reduction and survivability are also priorities. Advanced helmet-mounted displays, voice and gesture controls, and decision AI could reduce reaction times and keep pilots more effective under stress. Survivability measures, redundant systems, advanced self-protection, and signature management increase both mission success and crew safety. Operationally, the J-50 would likely be tailored to regional power projection and air denial tasks while retaining multi-role flexibility. Long-range sensors and weapons support maritime strike and area denial missions, while air-to-air capability would let it contest air superiority. If paired with long-endurance unmanned systems, it could serve as a forward sensor node or command center in a highly contested theater. It's important to remember that much about the J-50 remains speculative and that actual capabilities will depend on real-world testing, production realities, and strategic choices. New platforms often go through iterative changes between concept and deployment, and integration with existing force structures is never trivial. Still, whether the J-50 emerges as a fully stealthy, assisted manned platform or as a hybrid node in a mixed man-unmanned force, it represents a clear push toward fighters that are more than fast and agile. They are information platforms, survivable nodes in a broader system, and tools for shaping contested environments from the first detection to the final decision. If you enjoyed this breakdown, like and subscribe for more deep dives into next-generation fighters, and hit the bell so you don't miss our future breakdowns comparing the J-50 concept to other cutting-edge platforms around the world.